Hello all, I'm here with a brief introduction to a series of videos that covers the huge stash of Amiga stuff I got from eBay a few months back. I shot the video way back in May, but there was so much I just hadn't got around to editing it until now. This series will cover this first stash and then the extras I got to build myself the ultimate upgraded and period correct A500 Plus setup. In this first video I'm simply covering the unboxing of two Amigas, a monitor and a whole raft of accessories. For me, part of the fun of finding these minimally described job lot listings is discovering what on earth is going to be inside. That plus scoring a bargain, of course. So if you like random loft finds, here we go. Hello, so here are some new purchases. Let's see what they look like. So, external floppy drive. It's in quite nice condition. What's this? Boxed Shadow of the Beast 2. It's a really long box. Joystick. Archer. Oh, it's quite a nice little disc box. What's HL? Interbase. Okay. Well, we'll see. Another disc box. These ones have actually got clips, which makes them the only ones I've got that do. Ooh, RAM test software. Workbench 2. Bunch of other bits and pieces. This must be the Workbench 2 guide. Oh, the manual for the A500 and A500 Plus. And the Rocktech Rockhard RH800C. So this is, I believe it can be an IDE or a SCSI drive. It can take extra RAM up to 8 megs, and I think it has a SCSI port on the back, so I wonder if it's a way of it could be a way of connecting a CD drive. Got a boxed mouse. Well, we've got a box anyway. What's this? Power cartridge. But what does this go into? Is this for an Amiga? Doesn't look like it. One chunking great power supply. Wonder how many watts this one is. Not clear. 4.5 amps. Well, that's a fairly beefy one, I think. Now, what's in here? More discs. I have to unbundle that. Of course, there's a lot of stuff. Genlock. A video digitizer. Okay, so I guess that's only going to take video but not sound. Just all its software in there. Vidi RGB color splitter. What is this? Ooh. Well, that's use special lead. It's got an extra connector at the back, which I don't know what it does. It's got the video in, but then, well, how does this? Oh, I see. So it's got like a joystick connector, and unless that's serial, and another. I guess that's a video. Let's have a look at how that works. Here's the drive. Big old beast. It's got many switches on the back. What's this power adapter? I assume that's for the Rock-Tech drive. This is unopened. An as new lead that I definitely don't need because I have millions. Oh, how cute is this? What's this? This is the A520, so that's just a video adapter. This is an old Morrison's bag. What's this? Oh my goodness, it's got a lot of wires. MIDI interface. Those are good switches. Ooh. Oh wow, this looks... So more video stuff. Maybe this is, well, this has got a Genlock written on it. I have no idea how any of this stuff works or if there's any use for it. And then, oh, Rendale Genlock control software for the A8802, which presumably is this box. Yes, A8802. And then I think these are all monitor cables or serial or something like that. I have to have a look through. Okay, next box. Yeah, there were actually no Amigas in there. That was just extra stuff, so I guess the Amigas are in the other box. Okay, box mostly open. Do the easy bits. Open other end, awesome. Well, that's an Amiga. A dirty Amiga. Okay, so this is the plain old 500, I guess. Let's have a look under here. Missing the end piece. A500, yeah. So I'll have to give this a real good clean, I guess. Let's have a look at the back. Oh, it's pretty rusty. And as I say, it wasn't... it's got a bit of a crack on the end as well. It wasn't described as... This was described as thrown in for free. So I don't know if that means... Oh yeah, a big crack on the end there as well. So I don't know if that means this doesn't work. But I guess even if it doesn't, it's not bad for spares. Wow, look at this monitor. Looks okay. Let's check the condition of the A500 Plus, because that's the one we want to be working. Okay, you're going to have to put this down. Okay, this one's very nice and shiny. Very nice and shiny. Looks in good shape. There's that sticker. A500 Plus. Don't think I've ever touched an A500 Plus before. So looking forward to having a play with this one. And I wonder if we've got any extra RAM in that in that expansion. Okay, let me move stuff out of the way. Oh, look at the difference in colour. It's very nice, very unfaded, that A500 Plus, looking great. Let me get things out of the way and I'll try and get this monitor out. Okay, the monitor. So I don't even know what model this is, although I'm thinking it's probably a 1701 or 1702 just from the picture I saw. Okay, let's have a look. There we go. Looks intact, and it's 1702. So it looks like it's got some paint and all sorts on it. Missing the little door, I guess. Oh, wait, here's a thing. Oh, there's one of the end pieces from one of the Amigas. That's good. Yeah, I don't see an end piece I don't see the monitor door in there, but never mind. What's on this side? Nothing in particular. So you've got those front inputs, mono. Now, what are all these controls? Volume. Ooh, horizontal position, vertical hold. Wow. Brightness, contrast, colour, and tint. Yeah. What's it? Is that just a screw on the end? I can't actually see from where I am. Let's have a look. Oh well. Now the Flex has this rather exciting looking load of tape, but it was all tested, so I guess I won't touch that for now. Here's the back. So what this does have is, apparently this is effectively an S-video signal, where it's got the luminance and the chrominance on separate signals. Now I understand the A520 output device that we've got can be converted to run that and give a lot better quality, because obviously what would be best is RGB, but this doesn't have that. On the other hand, maybe it would make sense to just move this on, I don't know. But I'll certainly want to have a little play with it first. Cool. Well, next step will be to fire these up. So let's have a look and see if everything works.